Hi guys, it's Meg and welcome back to my channel. It feels like so long since I've actually stood up and done a fashion video, so I'm really excited to be sharing with you guys today my top 10 wardrobe essentials for summer. I truly feel like all of these pieces are pieces which I reached for the last year, that I think I'll reach for next year. These are just some absolute capsule pieces which can just make your life so much easier in summer when you're hot and sweaty and don't want to think about outfits. So I'm just going to jump straight into my first pick, and that is of course gold jewellery. Now if you guys know, I'm a brand ambassador for Ana Luisa for the year, so I get to pick out a couple of pieces each month and show you guys. So I did go ahead and pick out 3 more pieces to show you guys, and I did go for earring heavy this time because I just love their earrings. I honestly live in a pair of Ana Luisa hoops, so I just went for these really simple pair of just gold hoops, and genuinely I think these might be my favourite Ana Luisa hoops ever, just because they're so simple and I will wear these all summer long. I think my favourite thing about gold jewellery in summer is just that it really spices up sometimes quite a basic outfit, because often I am reaching for white linens and neutral colours. It's just nice to add a little bit of sparkle and glow, and I think it looks spectacular with a tan. Then the next piece I went for, I'm so excited for, is just this gorgeous gold ring, and I have been wearing this Ana Luisa ring for so long now. I wear it every single day and it still hasn't tarnished, which is insane. So I definitely love their rings, and I thought this sparkly one would be quite nice to go on my ring finger on my other hand, just like so. Then the last piece I picked out are these gorgeous earrings, and I genuinely think these are fit for a Grecian goddess. They're just such a pretty hoop with this double kind of hoop, and actually you can detach the bottom bit and just wear the top bit as a hoop, so I feel like they're super versatile. I feel like I can envision these with like a long maxi dress on holiday, hair scraped back in a clean girl bun. I honestly just live for that vibe. So yeah, I'm so happy with all of my pieces. I'm at my growing collection. I honestly have so much of their jewellery, and I do think it just holds up really well and is such great value for money. So I actually have a discount code for you guys, and it will be left in the description. In fact, I'll leave it on the screen here, just in case you did want to shop anything from Ana Luisa. And thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this part of the video. I'm going to stick with accessories for this part of the video, and this essential is a beauty. I just bought this Loewe basket bag, and I really wanted this last summer, and I just didn't pull the trigger, what was I even looking for? Pull the trigger on this purchase. But I'm so glad that I just bought it, because I genuinely do think it's a piece of artwork, and I just love how versatile this bag is. It's just really like structured, so I feel like you could wear it in the city, you could wear it to the beach, and it's just a really great size. I've actually already filmed a full unboxing of this bag, which should hopefully go up on my YouTube after this video, so go ahead and check that out. Of course, it doesn't need to be expensive or a splurge. I was fortunate enough to have a lot of gift vouchers to contribute towards this bag, because I just don't know if I could commit that much to a basket bag normally. And then another summer purchase which I've been contemplating for a while are these June sliders, and these are actually a great dupe, if you couldn't tell, Hermes, I think it said, Hermes Oran sandals, and I'm honestly in love with those sandals. I definitely think I'll purchase them and pull the, why do I keep saying pull the plug? Pull the trigger on them one day, but I'm just not quite ready to do that yet. So these dupes are really nice. They're June. These did set me back, I think they were £90, but I did get a student discount on them, so they're quite pricey. But my best friend Anna actually managed to find them on ASOS, I'm not kidding, for £30 with, she got 25% off, so they were like £20, which is so annoying because I'd already worn mine in and I can't really return them at this point. But I'll have a little look on ASOS and see if they've still got any of these available. But I went for the white one because I thought if I go for the Hermes eventually in brown, then I'll have 2 different pairs. But absolutely love those sandals. I think they can be dressed up so nicely with any outfit, and Anna and I were saying as well, I feel like they're the only slider that looks really dressy, and you could wear this with a gorgeous floral dress and you would look really put together. together. Then just rolling through the accessories, of course you need a good pair of sunglasses. I wear sunglasses all year round, so I definitely think they are worth investing in. However, if you didn't want to, I've got these pair from And Other Stories, which I got for Christmas, and these are actually £23, which they look just like the YSL Hailey Bieber sunglasses, which I think I would sell my soul for, but these are like the same sort of a thing, and I will definitely be taking these on holiday with me. I think these work so well in the winter as well. Moving on to some actual clothes, my first essential is this white linen shirt, and I think they're quite basic and I don't know if like very predictable for summer, but genuinely I will sit on this hill until I die. A white shirt is just such a good wardrobe essential, and I style my shirts so many ways. I actually thrifted I feel so American saying thrifted, but I actually went to a charity shop and bought a blue shirt, which I'd never actually like been charity shopping before, but all of my friends were saying that I didn't need to invest in a Jeff Avenue shirt, I should just go to a charity shop. So I did, and genuinely walked in and I saw the blue stripy shirt that looks identical to Jeff Avenue. I've styled it so many ways. I love wearing it with a pair of shorts and a crop top or a play suit. I wear it with jeans, I wear it with tops underneath. The list of shirt outfits are unbelievable. In fact, I might even do a TikTok about that. Then next up, you definitely need some summer dresses in your collection. So I love this black bandeau dress, and I really think this is such a wardrobe essential. And this can be styled so many ways with a different coloured shirt on top. Looks really nice, or a blazer. I've actually done a TikTok on how to style this dress 3 different ways. This one's actually from Naked, and I just reach for this all the time. It's definitely got that Jeff Avenue look. Definitely worth investing in one of these, if not getting it in white, which I really want one in white. But speaking of white dresses, I also have this gorgeous one from Abercrombie, which I bought 2 years ago. I used to be so girly with my fashion, and I definitely think I've pared it back a lot now. I think I'm more inspired by city style and big blazers. I think Hailey Bieber is basically my main inspiration for all of my outfits. If anything, I just style it in ways which I think are a little bit more true to my style now. And I think that just goes to show like the longevity of pieces like this, that they stick with you while you change your style throughout the years. Then sticking with the white linen, I don't think you can go wrong with a pair of white linen shorts as well. This pair are also from Abercrombie & Fitch, and they are again double lined, super nice and comfortable. I love wearing these with tank tops, especially black or a darker colour like brown, just to kind of give it a bit more depth. So I'll definitely be taking these on holiday with me again, and I think they're a really great essential to just have on. I'm actually really annoyed because I did place a H&M order, which I thought would be coming in time for this video, with so many tank tops which I thought would work really nicely with these shorts, but they haven't come yet. But nevertheless, my next wardrobe essential is tank tops, and I just find these so handy. They honestly fit every single occasion, and I love wearing them out for lunch underneath blazers. I really want a white one. I did have one in my collection and I just misplaced it. So I have gone ahead and ordered 3 more colours because I think they're such great wardrobe essentials, and they look really nice with shorts, denim shorts, underneath shirts. You get the gist. This one is from Zara, and these are £3.99, so always worth having in a backup. I do also think it goes without saying to add a bit of colour to your summer wardrobe, because even though I am pretty much the most neutral person possible, I definitely think when the sun's out you need a bit of colour. I am obsessed with greens, and I love pinks as well when they're really bright, so this Zara dress is perfect for that. Just super comfortable and an essential. So if you're not that comfortable with colour, or you're not really sure, I just genuinely recommend having one colour which you know looks nice on your complexion and you feel really comfortable and good in, and then just buying a couple of statement pieces to throw into your summer wardrobe in that colour. The next piece is a linen blazer, and you can honestly take a shot for the amount of times I say linen in this video. It's just a classic for summer. It's nice and breathable. This blazer is actually from Bershka, and I don't really think a blazer is essential for summer if you live in a different country, but in the UK, summer's not really summer. I mean, even as I speak, it's grey outside, so having a blazer on hand as a backup when it gets cold and rainy, which it inevitably will, is just really handy. And I love this white linen blazer to go over white dresses. So I love this oversized blazer. This one's Bershka, but again, I think it's a charity shop job for a nice blazer. So then last but not least for wardrobe essentials is a pair of tailored trousers. They can be linen, or these ones are just like a twill fabric, but I genuinely live in these in summer when I get bored of wearing denim jeans all the time. I actually paired them with a white corset to an event which I went to recently, and I love the outfit. I met a girl who's actually wearing the exact same outfit as me, like the same Zara corset, basically the same trousers, white heels, but honestly I looked at her and I was like, I'm so glad I wore this outfit if I look anything like that, because she looked incredible. I definitely do want a pair of white linen trousers, but I just don't know if I trust myself. I don't know why I've reached more for white linen shorts, but I feel like trousers are just so long and there's just so much like mess to get on white linen trousers. So I feel like even a beige for me just feels more safe. But yeah, these ones are naked. They're just really long, wide leg trousers, and you can find loads similar on Naked. So there we have it. Those are my 10 summer wardrobe essentials, and I hope you guys found this helpful. I honestly feel like these are the building blocks for an easy, low maintenance summer wardrobe, which will just carry you through the week of summer that we have in the UK. And again, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. You guys can go and check them out in the description box down below. I'll leave the link along with my discount code, and I'll see you guys in the next couple of videos. I have some really exciting videos lined up, so stick around for those, and I will see you next week. Bye!